All right, welcome to another week passed in our portfolio update. I got to this one a little late because I was busy over the weekend. Hopefully, everybody had a good weekend. Happy Monday, and the stock market is open. So, I'm just going to go ahead and go over a quick update of what happened last week. As we can see right now, we're up, I guess, technically, even though it looks like it's down from earlier today. 12:30. But last week we're up 2,600, 1.42%. Last month 14,000, 8.5%. 61,000 in 3 months, almost 50%. Year to date, 73,000, 64%. A year, 73,000. I mean, basically it's going back, which is what year to date is. They're essentially almost the same at this point because it's almost the end of the year. But anyway, 73,000, 64%. And then all time 70,000, 60, almost 61%. So I have master MSTR calls expiring this week. If you haven't been paying attention, MSTR MicroStrategy has been accepted in the NASDAQ 100, which also helped basically propel Bitcoin even more. And it's up to 435 right now. So I'm probably going to be rolling this out and up to obviously let the stock appreciate more and then collect some more premium. I'll probably do that closer to Friday. I have SPY 610 calls expiring next Friday. SPY is currently at 607, so I'm probably going to have to roll that at some point, but we have time on that, so we'll see what happens with SPY. Palantir, I sold these also last week, $70. I sold it really close to at the money because I do kind of want to get assigned on Palantir. I've had Palantir since $17.5, but I ended up selling it around $22. And obviously it's exploded since then, so that's a big regret of not holding on to that. But I'd like to get back into it. They also got accepted in the NASDAQ 100 with MicroStrategy, so it's another good company I would want to get back into. ELF, it's currently up. I feel like most of these positions I've had, if you've been following the channel, nothing really too new except for what I've already gone over. Here's my current stocks that I'm in right now. I'm almost positive on all of them now that MSTRs come back because I did get assigned on these at the 436.50. I believe it was actually assigned at 445, but with the premium I collected, it dropped my average cost down now that Robinhood's kind of showing that. And then this last week in my realized profit and loss, so this is the actual money that I made, not unrealized gains, I'm up 2,500 for the week. And these are all the positions that I did. So I closed out my MSTR 415 call last week for a nice profit before it jumped up now. And then that's when I resold my other call, and now that one's definitely in the money. So like I said, we're gonna have to talk about rolling that one. I have the SPY 620 that I bought back for 27% profit. The Palantir one I bought for 52% profit before reselling another one. And then 2 SPY calls that I bought back for profits before reselling the one I'm currently in. In my Roth IRA, we are doing pretty good again. Up to 2% for the day, 600 for the week, 1,400, almost 5%. For the month, we're up 3,000, almost 3,500, 12%. 3 months, almost 6,500, 26%. Year to date, 11,000, 56%. And then, like we talked about before, year to date and 1 year, basically the same thing. 1 year, 10,928, 55%, and then all time, 11,057, almost 58%. And then in here, I just hold SoFi and ticker O, which is Realty Income. They're a monthly dividend-paying stock. That's the reason why I hold on to them. And they're not really going anywhere. Their tenants are really good, usually like big corporations like Walmart and stuff, so I feel pretty confident that they're going to be around for a long time, and then they're just going to keep paying me monthly dividends. I think I just got $32 recently from them. Yep, 32.09, and I just drip back into the stock, so I'm just going to keep increasing my shares and increasing my dividend payouts. And then SoFi, I've loved SoFi for a long time. I've owned it since like $6, traded in and out of it. Kind of like Palantir when I got into it pretty early. But I'm still into SoFi. Not as big of a position as I used to have, but decent size nonetheless. I do have calls for SoFi this week at $17, which is almost at $17 now. But I think I'm okay with letting it go and then just trying to sell puts to get back into it. Which I have a $16 put expiring in January here. So that's all of my portfolio updates for the week. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. Thank you. Have a good trading week. Bye.